Hello and welcome or welcome back to our channel. Today we have an irresistible and healthy salad recipe that you simply can't resist. It's perfect for weight loss and total well-being, and it'll help me anytime I want to lose some pounds, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it too. So now let's dive right in. First, I'm going to peel and chop a sweet apple into bite-sized pieces. Apples add a natural sweetness that elevates the flavor of our salad. Next up is our tomato. I'll slice and chop it into bite-sized pieces. I remove the core because it adds extra liquid to our salad, which I don't really like, but feel free to leave it in if you want to. Now let's move on to the cucumber. We'll peel and chop one cucumber into bite-sized pieces. I also took out the cucumber core to reduce the water content in our salad. This ensures that our salad remains crisp and flavorful. For variety, we'll cut the second cucumber into bite-sized pieces without peeling it. This adds color and texture, making our salad more visually appealing. Now we're going to add a quarter cup of already drained sweet corn to a bowl. And to our boiled egg, I'll slice and dice it into smaller pieces. Eggs provide high quality protein and also adds a creamy touch to our salad. And here we have our canned tuna fish. I've already transferred it into a bowl, and before we add it to our salad, we'll strain most of the oil. This ensures that our salad remains light and healthy. In a separate bowl, we'll combine half a cup of Greek yogurt, mayonnaise or sweet condensed milk, depending on what you like, a tablespoonful of ketchup, a pinch of black pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. We're going to mix this together to get our salad cream, but you can make use of your favorite salad cream of choice. Now let's bring all these ingredients together and pour the salad cream over it. Make sure to coat everything evenly. And here you have it, a sensational salad you won't be able to resist. You can enjoy it as it is, as a side dish, or as a filling for a sandwich. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up by clicking on the like button below, subscribe, share with a friend, and leave a comment below. I truly appreciate it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.